and my name is Paul. I'm the maintenance coordinator at Plant 2 Austral Bricks. I've been with the company for 34 years. So in 1991 I started at Plant 1. At Plant 1 my first roles was a hand strapper and a kiln car operator. In 1992 I went to Plant 1. From Plant 1 I started operating the machines. I learnt the setter, the extruder and the debore. Many years later I was offered as an apprenticeship, so I done an adult apprenticeship with Austral Bricks. After my apprenticeship I started to run the kiln and the dryers, become the kiln supervisor. From doing the kiln supervisor I moved on to more roles. I travelled over New South Wales to help them with their kilns and interstate to Western Australia and Queensland. From there I went to maintenance coordination back in Plant 1 and run the maintenance department over in Plant 1. Some of the highlights from that was building new machinery and evolving the machinery into the new age, which was really fun. I've also travelled in America and worked over in brick plants in America. The best thing about working at Austral Bricks is the team and the family. Plant 1 is such a great team, Plant 2 is a great team. The people here are very dedicated, they're very passionate, and it's a great place to work. And any problem we have, we can always resolve, which I really like, and we've always got resources and the backing which get us to where the goals we need to go. How Austral Bricks has changed over the years, the machinery changed, it got more modern. Back in the day everything was done by hand power and manpower. Now a lot of the machines and robots do the work for us. The family culture and the teamwork hasn't changed. That's always been a good basic level of the whole company, which we've really enjoyed. The company care about their workers and vice versa. The safety and the environmental side of it changed, which Austral's always been on top of. That's it.